Good morning, guys. Welcome once again to another weekly recap. Today, we will see some setups, some analysis we share with our community. First, let's start with my trades, with supply and demand trading ideas. I traded a few setups this week. Only I was not that active, but I had a nice three and something return to my account. So which is it's pretty good. I'm satisfied with it. The first one, as I've been explaining, that I'm doing more scalp because the market, at least the Forex market, which is what I trade, has been moving very slow, really slow. Few peeps, too much consolidations, and I mean that's the reason why for now I'm doing more scalp on GU. All right, I'm just trying to get small pips, small amount of pips, small movements, 12, 15, 20 pips, and I'm done. Because scalp gives you the opportunity of making high risk reward ratio. However, it's a little bit complicated. It's more complicated doing scalp, but we did pretty good this week. This was the first one on GU. This actually hit our take profit. See, this is the New York session, the opening of the New York session, and this is a very textbook price action setup actually, because what we see here is that the market, made some liquidity grab and then it rallied to the upside, removing this supply level. So that's telling us in the 1 minute time frame. This is the 1 minute time frame. This is telling us, that sellers are not able to, to battle this fight actually. So this supply level was not able to hold. In fact, was removed. So we have more buyers than sellers, and this broken trend line, this is also a very non-pattern. When you trade price action, this is a very non-pattern, and this is how we identify momentum. So long story short, the market retraced to our entry. This was a sniper entry, in fact, and we were able to catch this entry right from the week. I'll show you in our Discord. But one more thing I like to share in terms of price action is the retracement. When we see retracements like this, that means higher probability. So let me show you the management of this trade. So this was actually what happened after that. As you can see, price hit or tap our demand level and started to rally. At this point, I had already closed 50% of my entry. All right. I recommended the guys to, I recommended the community to move to break even just in case, because when we scalp, things happen very fast. But our take profit was hit right at our equal highs. So that was on Monday. Yeah, Monday. And we had this very nice return for 0.18 RR. Then there were some other setups like this one, and I'll explain this one. Let's monitor this euro pound on the 4-hour level. We had this nice demand zone right there, but this is what happened after that, and I'll show you that one. Let's see. I'll show you that in the platform. Okay, here it is. I had a break-even trade on this one because, as you can see, the market consolidated, and then we had this very nice rally. This happened in the 30-minute time frame, right in our 4-hour demand level. So when we had this reaction, I sent the buy limit signal, and the price action honestly was not looking good. I just didn't like the price action, so I just waited for the price to react to my level. And here is exactly when the price broke this trend line in the 15-minute time frame, broke the trend line and started to move in my direction. But we were having some fundamentals coming during the London session. So, and on top of that, the price section was like weird, too much compression. So I decided to move to break even, and that was my recommendation. So the market just give a few pips and then it retraced to our entry, and that's the reason why this trade ended up in a break even. But I also had another one on GU, which is this one, and I had a loss on this one. I had a loss. This broke my demand level, the level responsible of breaking this high. Also in the 1 minute time frame, it just removed my entry. And after that, I had another opportunity of buying, but I wasn't able to share it with the team because it happened too fast, so I just took it. But the first entry, which is the one I share, hit my stop loss. And the last one was this euro dollar setup I shared yesterday. We had a very nice break of a structure. We had a liquidity grab, and the market did retrace but did not tap my zone, did not fill my order at 109,282. So it just I guess it was able to retrace, but it just hit the 109,250, I guess. And then it dropped and actually gave the full take profit, but the entry was not filled. So those were my entries. I traded a few setups only. I was not that active this week. As I said, there was so much consolidation, and I just didn't like the price action this week. But let's check smart money trading ideas then. Okay, based on smart money trading ideas, let me share a few setups share during the week. This is one of the first ones on gold. Gold, if you see the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, it was a ranging market, and the 1-hour time frame had a very nice order block to the left. There is another block right here. And actually what happened is that our first take profit, as you can see, the order was there, the first take profit was hit. And actually, let me show you the whole setup, because the market is going up. All right, so the full take profit was hit on this one, and this is gold. Let me show you another one. Here we have another one on GU. As you can see, GU right from the week. GU gave a lot of opportunities this week, tons of opportunities for scalp trades. As you can see there, the full take profit was hit. And of course, you can see all these setups. You can anticipate all these setups if you join his live session. So this was another one on GU. And of course, there was another one on Aussie Swiss Franc. This is a buy signal we shared last week. We found this very nice opportunity for intraday, for a short entry, but bullish was too much. As we can see here, bullish was too. The order block did not hold. Daily bullish, it's too much for it. So unfortunately, this one hit our stop loss. So these were some entries with smart money concepts for this week. Once again, price action very weird, and that's why I think we both decided to trade just a few setups only, because there were not that many opportunities this week. And let's check the crypto portfolio. Okay, for the crypto portfolio, we just got this one on Bitcoin, a buy order that didn't go our direction, and it went against us. This was the only trade for the crypto portfolio. As we said, we identify a very ranging market, and when the market is like ranging, we just do not recommend to take many trades. Just try to take high quality setups. But we have shared more crypto ideas. We have shared more entries, and we will follow up those entries next week as we did last week. If you watch our last week video, you will realize that we did amazing last week on the crypto portfolio. So this week it was more about the Forex market. We did very nice on the Forex market, very nice returns. And that was the weekly recap. If you're interested, guys, if you enjoy the content and you would like to be in our community, I will drop the link in the description. And once again, if you have questions, you can contact us on Instagram. We'll be happy to help you. Bye bye, guys.